going far away, way, 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 way. I wish it wasn't moving there. Moving there. She's going to a far-off city. Her daddy's got a new job there. I love her so, it's such a pity.